Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Mokter Hossain, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today, I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class Junior 1. And our today's topic is separating letters 1 to 4. Dear students, let's see the board. Term Annual 21, class Junior 1, subject Islam, topic separating letters 1 to 4. Lecture number 11, SW also 11. Mokter Hossain, this is my mobile number and today's date. So dear students, our today's topic is separating letters. There are four words. We have to separate the letters from these words. So let's start our today's topic. Number 1, ba, kha, la. There are three letters in this word. So number 1, ba plus kha plus lam. Number 2, qatala, qaf, ta, lam. And number 3, ja'ala. There are also three letters, jim, ain, and lam. And the last one, number 4, kasaba. There are also three letters, kaf, sin, and ba. So dear students, our today's SW and SW topic is separating letters 1 to 4. Dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic properly. Keep practicing at your home. Abide by your parents. Stay safe and well. See you again inshallah. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.